It's an honor to kind of showcase my good friend Aji to all of you and all his work he has done. I know Aji for now about 2.5 to 3 years, and he's a great guy. Forget about his work, he's a great guy, and great guy, no? But Mr. Das Gupta already said, he's a great guy what he does in terms of it's not only his work, but as an individual, as a human being. So, who would like to do business with? Someone you think is great to work with, right? So here's one guy you love to work with because he's there with you, with his advice, with his thoughts, with his connect, whatever it is. So he'll share with you a lot of stuff about what he does. Aji Isaac Nathu, I would like to present to you. He's shared with you a piece of paper. It tells us everything about himself in some ways. He is the master, the guru, the champion of digital marketing, digital PR. A lot of the terminologies are connected to that. How to sell you in the social media, on the internet. So he has been doing it. He has set up a company about some years back, 10 years back approximately, and then he has been working on it. Now the company has grown. The name of the company is TechShoe. He has been now I think last year the overall company the size, and this year it's almost triple, 3 times. It's about 70 plus, and they're doing excellent. So I'll be Aji will talk a little bit about you himself, but what I'll tell you is that the excellent person to work with, great master of knowledge in terms of social media marketing, web marketing, and I think all of us could be possible prospect clients for him if you want to just reach out to him. Aji, by my honor, I'm happy to introduce to you Aji Isaac Nathu.
Good evening, everyone. My honor to be here. And as I mentioned, we have nothing big to share. It's a dream that we are pursuing with a commitment that will make it big. And we have our team available with us. And we are working hard to make that dream available. And I'll share a part of my story and the dream that we have forward. As you say that, as you can see that we have nothing much to show on the surface level, but we are very committed to make it one of the best companies that exist in this industry. And thanks Ty for all the support. And when nobody knew us, there were Ty and other communities which was helping us to grow. And Abhishek is not here. I learned a lot from Abhishek. He has helped me a lot, and I always want to thank him for what he has done. So I'll take it forward. When I was in my second year of MCA, that's the first time, I thought that I know a lot about computers. Before MCA, I had no knowledge about computers. Within the first year, I thought I know a lot about computers because with VB and Access, I can create a lot of things, and I was very good in C. I started my first company when I was in the second year of my college. With 4 of my team members, we did some good projects. That's where my journey started. And I never thought I'll be an entrepreneur. But I joined another company to buy a mobile, and this was one of the best mobiles available at that time, Sony D610. It costed around 20,000 rupees. So I thought I'll work there for 2 months, and then I'll shift and I'll come back to my college. But just for that, I just entered into this business, I was first employee in GRN Tech. I never wanted to be an entrepreneur, but I just wanted to be working there and innovating and doing something for that company. As I mentioned, I wanted to shrink my CV to one line saying Aji Isaac, and followed with some product name or company name, and people will recognize me. And after working there for 5 years, I had an opportunity to do something better. I joined Digital Avenues, which was a service-based company, and GRN was more of a product-based company. And it was a drastic shift in the way we worked in a product industry and in a service industry. And this was exactly the feeling that I had when I entered into the service industry. All upside down, all together, it was a very different experience. I tried, it wasn't easy for me to make any changes there. And I wasn't even ready to start something of my own. I had a desire to start something of my own, but I could not start something. That's when life gives you a push. I lost my job and the department stopped. And a client visited Taj and said, we celebrate Christmas in our hotel, but when we search Christmas, our website does not come up. How can you help us? And later on, we made that happen for them. When they searched Christmas in India, they were ranking. And that's where our business started, without any name, without anything. That's how we started off. And we were a company that, the name TechShoe also came up with this, because when I shifted from the product to the services, I saw a lot of difference in terms of how we actually do work for people. And then I said that we have to change this. We want to do the way we do it for ourselves. And I was writing a proposal. That time I saw that in 22 religions, the same word was said. And what was said in the Confucius was really touching to me. It said that what is the principle and conduct of life? It is reciprocity. Do to others as you want to do it for yourself. So we combine technology and shoe together and saying we will create technology the way we want to create for technology for ourselves. Being in this market for last 5 to 10 years, I know what best works. So we will like to do that for our companies, for our clients as well. That's what TechShoe means. Started this company to actually make a product, but we did not have that fund, and at that time we hardly knew anyone. So we thought we'll do services and make the product, and still the product is still a work in progress. As any other company, we just started with 2 people in 2009 unofficially, and in 2011 we had around 20 plus people. And the way I mentioned, a family that wears self-funded T-shirts. This is one of the ways that we can measure how connected people are. We don't give T-shirts to our team members. They have to buy their own T-shirts. And last time we sold almost 75 T-shirts, which I feel that people want to wear that name along with it. So this time again we'll, that's 2011, and this is 2013. We are 60 plus people, a crazy bunch of people trying to do crazy things all around. And and execution-wise, we have done a lot better. Now we have a good office as well. Okay, and I'll still say that there is a lot to be done in this industry, and we want to be there, and we want to do a lot more here. And this is, just a small plan that we have ahead. So this is what currently we are doing. We are doing marketing for clients in different sectors. We have different teams for it, and we have a small development part which we help the clients. And training and consulting is which we are starting within 2 months. We've already done a partnership in Mumbai and Bangalore. So we are starting something called Digital Sonch, which we are starting off to train and consult. And then we also want to do product and our own websites, which is next year or after. And especially it's not an easy task, and especially for the HR, and our HR is also here. You can see all the stickers right up there asking, what are the requirements that we have. So still working hard with a mission to change something in the company as well as in the country. Our vision is to profoundly impact the way people actually use digital marketing and services or product. And this is the mission currently that we have taken by 2015. We want to touch the 50 crores or 1,000 customers. This is what we have taken as a mission. And this is exactly what we do. We take digital marketing. We don't work on one aspect of digital marketing, but we take the complete marketing. I'll show you how we have created value for people. This is one of our clients. They are Aditya Birla Group called Linen Club. We took their 360-degree marketing part of it. From zero to now, we have almost like 450,000 fans available to them. Along with that, they're ranking for linen, and there's a lot of participation which is happening up there. So this is one of the parts that we have done. This is one of the social media activity that we have done for one of the Hong Kong-based publishing companies. Just by spending $2,000 in social media advertisement and the other advertisements. So in total, they have earned something close to $133,000 in return, which in itself was big understanding of digital marketing for them. And now they have a big team working on digital marketing. And also from, we don't only leave it to ourselves. So I've just shown some of the part that we've done for our clients. So to PPC, our account shows that we are taking care of almost like 82 million INR in terms of our PPC accounts. We've done well in terms of PPC. Even we were at Google last week. Understanding what Google is doing next in terms of that. We are a Google partner and big partner. And also we work on reputation management. Just in total, what we do is we take up a problem, whatever is your business goal, we try to understand this, try to create a digital marketing strategy around it to achieve the goal. This is exactly what we do. And I always wanted to be in the product industry, but in last 3-4 years, what it has taught me as a service industry is that there is a lot of scope to build a really good company where people want to work with whom the client wants to deal with, So I'm learning a lot more about the service industry, and I'm loving it. There's a lot of things to be done there. Okay. And if you talk about USP, now at least we have started learning how to talk business instead of talking, like what we exactly do in terms of SEO or PPC. You tell us what is your business goals, and we try to put a strategy around it and to achieve it. And by the grace of God, we have good clients who are helping us so far. Okay. In terms of USP, and I can, with very humble heart, what I can say is we are one of the most knowledgeable companies which exist in terms of digital marketing. Any queries that you throw, how deep it is, we will be able to take care of it, we will be able to solve it. And that is one of the aspects which makes us really strong in terms of our industry. Still, execution is a global problem altogether, but we are also working very hard in order to get the execution better and better. We have trained ourselves with Franklin Covey as well, and we've done a lot of training so that we can take the execution part very, very seriously. And we have created an amazing team and the right culture, which helps us a lot in terms of that. And our focus is only digital mix. And also, if you look at digital marketing, you have two industries merging together. One is the ad agency industry, and the other one is the technology and the marketing industry, which is the typical SEO industry. So we have different teams there. Now, what we want to do is when a person comes in or a client comes in, we want to take care of everything together and give the client the best solution which is possible. And some of the times you cannot do it in-house, some of the times you get it from outside, but we want to take up the ownership and give you the best solution that is possible. And as a company, we want to go beyond the business as well. And whenever I look around and see people giving me the testimonial saying that after joining TechShoe, I've become a better person, I think that in itself is a big achievement for me. And together we want to create value, and not only in terms of money, but in terms of creating better people around. And certainly we want to be a billion-dollar company someday. And I'm sure all the TechShoe people here will resonate to it and will take it to the next level altogether. And we just want your support and your prayers that we can take it to there. Thank you so much. And we've given a handout, and that is not that you work with us, but it's very important that you understand the digital marketing agencies. This is one of the motions that we want to propagate all around, that there is nothing that you gain by proving a digital marketing agency wrong, only that you can use the digital marketing agency to make things right for you. That's the whole knowledge base is to help you to make better out of any digital marketing agency that you work with. Thank you.
Any questions? Anybody has any questions?